Good morning, sir. Myself, Lokesh Sai Kumar. I am from second year CACC section. Today, I am here to present the topic from creative to innovation, process and transformation. Subject name: Design Thinking and Innovation. DTA. Subject code: 23 MEC 407. From creative to innovation, process to transformation. Embark on a journey to transform raw ideas into impactful realities. This presentation outlines the essential steps from initial spark into successful implementation, fostering a culture of continuous advancement. The spark: understanding creativity and idea generation. The three techniques: nurturing the creative mindset, technique for idea generation, observation and insight. Cultivating an environment that encourages divergent thinking, curiosity, and a willingness to challenge assumptions is paramount. Creativity isn't just about big ideas, it's about seeing new connections. Techniques for idea generation: explore methods such as brainstorming, mind mapping, scamper, and free association. These techniques help unlock novel perspectives and generate a diverse pool of initial ideas. Observation and insight: deep observation of user needs, market gaps, and emerging trends provides fertile ground for problem identification and opportunity recognition, forming a foundation of innovative solutions. From idea to concept: structured brainstorming techniques. Moving beyond spontaneous thought, structured brainstorming ensures a more productive and inclusive ideation process. First step: define the challenge clearly. Establish a public problem statement or opportunity to focus creative energy. Encourage quantity over quality. In the initial phase, prioritize generating as many ideas as possible without judgment or evaluation. Build on others' idea. Foster a collaborative spirit where participants expand upon and combine existing suggestions. Utilize diverse perspectives. Involve individuals from various backgrounds and departments to bring fresh viewpoints to the table. Visualization and sketching. This is the last technique. Encourage participants to sketch their ideas, making concept more tangible and easier to communicate. The filtration tunnel. This is the most important step. Evaluating and selecting promising concepts. First one, idea generation. Second one, concept testing. Third one, idea screening. Not all ideas are created equal. A systematic approach to evaluation is crucial to identify concepts with the highest potential for success and alignment with strategic objectives. Idea screening: rapidly eliminate unfeasible or irrelevant ideas based on preliminary criteria. Example: resources, market, etc. Feasibility analysis: access technical viability, resource requirements, and potential risks associated with each concept. Market potential: evaluate the demand, target audience, competitive landscape, and revenue generation opportunities. Strategic alignment: ensure the concept supports the organization's overall mission, vision, and long term goals. Design thinking: user centric development and prototyping. These are the 5 steps involved in design thinking and prototyping. Design thinking places the user at the heart of the innovation process, ensuring solutions are desirable, feasible, and viable. First one, empathize. Understand the user needs, pain points, and motivations through research and observation. Second one, define. Clearly articulate the problem statement from the user's perspective. Third one, ideate. Brainstorm a wide range of solutions to the defined problem. Fourth one, prototype. Create tangible representations. Example: sketches, models, mock-ups of selected ideas. Fifth one, test. Gather feedback from users or prototypes to refine and improve the solution. The iteration loop: refining and testing your innovation. First one, build. Second one, measure. Third one, learn. Fourth one, repeat. The iteration loop is fundamental to agile development, ensuring continuous improvement based on a real world feedback rather than assumptions. Build. Prototype: develop a minimal viable product or prototype to test core assumptions. Measure. Data and feedback: collect quantitative and qualitative data on user interaction and performance. Learn. Analyze and adapt. Analyze findings to identify areas for improvement and inform the next iteration. Continuous improvement: this cyclical process allows for rapid adaptation for reducing risk and optimizing the firm solutions. Resource allocation and securing supported investment. Transforming an innovative concept into reality requires strategic allocation of resources, both financial and human. Financial backing. Identify funding resources such as venture capital, angel investors, grants, or internal budgets. Develop it compelling business case and financial projections. Talent acquisition. Assemble a skilled and passionate team with diverse expertise to execute the project. This includes technical specialists, project managers, and marketing professionals. Time management. Establish realistic timelines and milestones. Utilize project management technologies and methodologies to track progress and dependencies efficiently. Implementation strategies. Bringing innovation to life. Successful implementation bridges the gap between concept and tangible outcome, requiring meticulous planning and execution. Pilot programs. Test the innovation on a similar scale to gather initial data and refine processes before full rollout. Change management. Prepare stakeholders for the new solution, addressing potential resistance and ensuring smooth adoption. Scalability planning. Design the innovation with future growth in mind, ensuring it can be expanded effectively. Cross-functional collaboration. Maintain strong communication and cooperation between all involved departments to overcome challenges. Continue monitoring. Track performance metrics and user feedback post-launch to identify areas for further improvement. Measuring impact. Accessing success and learning from outcomes. Post-implementation, it is vital to measure the innovation's impact against predefined objectives to justify investment and inform future strategies. Key performance indicators. Define clear and measurable metrics that reflect the innovation success, such as ROI, user engagement, or efficiency gains. Qualitative feedback. Conduct surveys, interviews, and focus groups to understand user satisfaction and identify unexpected benefits or challenges. Post-mortem analysis. Review the entire innovation process, documenting lessons learned and identifying best practices for future projects. Adapt and evolve. The prepared to iterate further or pivot if initial results do not meet expectations. Embracing continuous learning. Key takeaways. Sustaining a culture of innovation. Foster curiosity. Encourage continuous learning and questioning the status quo. Embrace collaboration. Break down silos to promote interdisciplinary idea sharing. Iterate relentlessly. View failures as learning opportunities, not setbacks. Champion risk taking. Create a safe environment for experimentation and bold ideas. Measure and adapt. Continuously access impact and different strategies for growth. Thank you for giving this opportunity.